Well, good afternoon, everybody. I got something in today from the mail from ScaleTrains. Should be my autoracks, and we're going to open the box here for the first time and see what we got. We got some stickers. That's kind of cool. We got the invoice. And we got the candy. Different suckers. Which is becoming a kind of a normal thing for ScaleTrains. Packing. Ordered the detail kits for the autoracks. So we got looks like brake levers and cut levers and airlines. And we have the autoracks themselves. These are my operator series. There's an NS. CSX. Another CSX, should be different road number. And we've got the Rivet counters. CSX, and all three of these are CSX. All right. So we'll go ahead and open one of these operator or rivet counter here, and we'll check out the packaging. Alright, so within the box we have extra bearing cover caps, the instructions with information on the prototype, we got some tape at either end, and doesn't really anything along the side. Now this one is Greenbrier Gunderson Multi-Max Autorack CSX Transportation CTTX 692582. ScaleTrains number is SXT 32139. It costs $75. So let's take it out and look at the detail. The side panels are etched metal. You can read all the fine print. If I can get the camera to focus. On the underside we have cut levers and train line hoses and mechanical brake. Trucks are in good shape. Got one airline that may have caused problems. These are supposed to negotiate, I think, an 18-inch curve, but I'm not sure how well they will. We'll have to try them out. They do hit the bolster. And what I was saying, the airline that may cause a problem is this one here. It may catch ties or railroad crossings. It may just take a little bit of heating it and reshaping it a little bit. Other than that, they are a beautiful car. They got separately applied locks on the end of the car there. Show up. Lock rods are all separately applied. Ladders are separately applied. All the brake lines and everything are separately applied. I've got ScaleTrains couplers. Which I'm more of a fan of the Katie's. Although these may be okay. Because otherwise the train line hose is probably going to be in the way. Room on here. Coupler height is good with another engine that I had sitting here on my workbench. Both ends. You're not really going to be able to see too much here. My camera doesn't go low enough, sorry. Well, they're a good looking car. Let's get one of the operator series out and take a look at them. course, the packing for ScaleTrains is pretty good. It snugly fits. Since that was a CSX Rivet counter, let's get the CSX operator. Again, you get instructions. This is a operator series, so there are no rotating bearing caps. We have tape again. Same packaging as the Rivet counter. We have some separately applied parts underneath. So some of the brake lines, some of the mechanical brakes, and air tanks, and all the air tanks are pre-drilled for the detail kit. Focus where you can see the pre-drills. The ends of the car are pre-drilled for the separately applied hardware. It does not have the etched metal side panels. The hardware, the detail kits, I think was $11, $11.99, and the Rivet count or the operator series cars were $40. And they, of course, the printing on them are legible under magnification. Ladders are separately applied. All in all, they're pretty darn close to the operators or the Rivet counter series. So you get a good distance away from them, you're not going to be able to tell a difference. Especially once I get the detail parts on them. I just messed up by putting the cover on the wrong direction. And my fan's driving me nuts. So the covers are designed to only go one way. So it actually locks the wheels in place. All in all, again, another good looking car. And keep an eye out on the channel for a actual side-to-side comparison. I'll see if I can get one done. So if you like this, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check us out on Model Railroading Live on YouTube. I'm on there quite a bit. I'm doing the Railroad Empire series with Robert Holloman, Lloyd, and Andy Crawford, Ari, and Big Bill, or not Big Bill, but Johnny, sorry. Which would be, like I said, it's the Empire show with Model Railroading Live. Again, check us out on Facebook and YouTube. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you.